Hey everyone, welcome to this quick 2025 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to top up Poppo Live Coins instantly on Blackman. It's fast, it's easy, and yes, it's 100% safe. Let's get right into it. First, head over to the website. The link's down in the description. Once you're there, register your account. It only takes a few seconds. Then, go ahead and log in. Now, choose the product. Pick the Poppo Live top-up you want. Select how many coins you need and make sure to enter your Poppo Live user ID correctly. Next, hit that Buy Now button. You'll be able to pay directly or use your wallet balance if you've got funds loaded. And that's it. Your coins will be delivered instantly. Hope this helped you out. If it did, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, and share this with a friend who needs it. And of course, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an update on live stream apps, top-ups, and more digital hacks. See you in the next one.